Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. You already know what I'm going to say today, so I'll just say once we get into next week, there's a high chance that the rain will cool us below 100 degrees, but until Sunday, we'll likely be at or just above 100, including today. In fact, I think our heat wave here will be peaking today as well as tomorrow. The heat index has gone up just a degree each day, so today we have the heat index going up to about 114 or 115 degrees, and that's with the humidity factored in. So definitely some dangerous heat today. About the only window that will be comfortable will be from about sunrise until about 9:30 or 10 o'clock this morning, because we have the heat index by 10 a.m. Going up to 102, which is a few degrees warmer than what it's been at 10 a.m. this week. So the heat going up just another little notch today. I don't know if you'll feel much of a difference from the past few days. That is just draining to try to be outside contending with this heat, but everybody just a few degrees above 100 this afternoon. Humidity is high enough that we do have that excessive heat warning that is triggered every time the heat index is expected to get above 110. In fact, should hit that 110 mark close to lunchtime today, and we'll spend all afternoon between 110 and 115. That's what it will feel like today, so definitely one of those days to stay inside again, enjoy the air conditioning. Now, there is a very slight chance we could see some rain today. In general, this area of high pressure will kind of limit any chance that we could see any rain here in the Arklatex, but there is going to be an active sea breeze today. Again, we'll have a south wind kicking in down along the coastline, and the hope is that that can maybe push in a few showers to the areas that really need it, where we have the drought ongoing here in Texas and Louisiana. So if you're I-20, including Shreveport and points to the south here, especially down towards Toledo Bend, just a slight chance we can see some rain late today. It'd probably just be a couple of minutes of rain, but it would be nice to have that to cool things down and give us a little cloud cover late in the day as well. But I think in general, most of us will stay dry through Sunday, but there is a cold front that will drop in early next week, so we should begin to feel the temperatures drop off in a lot of areas Monday. It's not going to be major relief, but once we're in next week, the typical high is about 96 degrees, and we should get back to the mid-90s for several days by the middle of the week, so it'll be a little easier to be outside than it has been this week as well. And expect the humidity will drop off just a touch behind that front as well, so rather than overnight lows in the 80s, we may get a few nights in the 70s next week as well, but it looks like that on and off rain and highs in the 90s can be expected for much of next week.